This is Spanish 3, Global Challenges, Vocab 101 through 105. I'm going to say the following words in English, then Spanish, and then clap. And after I clap, I'd like you to repeat both the English and the Spanish with me, okay? 101. Natural resources, recursos naturales. Natural resources, recursos naturales. 102. To come, venir. To come, venir. 103. To prevent, prevenir. To prevent, prevenir. 104. The future, el porvenir. The future, el porvenir. And finally, the future, el futuro. The future, el futuro. Now, notice, Spanish is reversed or English is reversed. They're backwards from each other. We say natural resources. They say resources natural. Now, here's a reasonable question. Mr. Holt, sometimes you add an S, like taco turns into tacos when it's plural, and sometimes you add an ES. Natural turns into naturales. How do you know when to add an S to make a word plural and when to add an ES? Well, it's quite easy. If it ends in a vowel, taco ends in a vowel, you add an S. Amiga ends in a vowel, you add an S. But if it's a consonant, like azul ends in an L, you add an ES. So natural ends in a consonant. To make it plural, you add ES. Easy enough. Now, venir is to come. Everybody say, bienvenidos a Mexico. Bienvenidos a Mexico. It means welcome to Mexico. Well, if bienvenidos means welcome, bien means well, and venidos means come. So venir is to come. Also, if you've not heard that phrase, you guys know when there's a piece of furniture like a desk at school, it's cheap wood, but they put a thin layer of good wood on top of it to make the desk look nicer. That thin layer of wood is called veneer. Everybody say veneer. Veneer. And sometimes the veneer comes up because it's glued down. So everybody say the veneer is coming off this piece of furniture. The veneer is coming off this piece of furniture. I'm making a big deal out of veneer because you see it 3 times. Venir, venir, venir. All right, so if venir is to come, prevenir is to prevent. You prevent it from coming. You prevent it, like you prevent forest fires. You want to prevent them from coming. So prevenir. And it actually shares 6 letters in English and Spanish. Now, future, the future is el porvenir. Literally, that which is coming. Okay? Like, prepare for the future. You guys, everybody say por favor. Por favor means for a favor. Remember this? For a favor. Por favor. Por favor is please. For a favor. Por favor. Por favor is please. So since por means for, you should prepare for the future. Get it? Por venir. Now, the future can also be el futuro. I'll be honest, most of you use that one because it's basically the same word, just add an L. Not a real hard list. Let's do our post quiz. I will cover up the Spanish, take a few moments, look at the English, and say the Spanish equivalents out loud, or even better, look at the English and write the Spanish equivalents down on a sheet of paper. This has been Spanish 3, Global Challenges, Vocab 101 to 105.